Today's day one of training camp, man. We're here doing our physicals.
Season's kicking off here soon, so our entire sports medicine team was here. Physicians, chiropractors, athletic trainers, ophthalmology, the whole crew was here to just get a nice setup.
First day is always stressful. It doesn't matter how often you do it, how many times you do it, how many times you do it with the docs. Like, it's always stressful. But so far so good.
We're going to be on the ground every day, making sure that these guys are staying on the ice best we can and keeping some injury prevention out of it. But yeah, it takes a crew to keep this team rolling, and hopefully we're going to be kicking some butt this year.
Oh, top notch here. Oh, real top notch. The best staff I've ever been around, honestly. Just can't wait to get things going with my new coaches and my new teammates. Couldn't be more excited for day one of training camp today and the rest of this week and going into opening weekend next week. So,
you know, these players come from different cities and come to Cincinnati, and we have the opportunity to put together an elite medical team to take care of them. It's a priority for us, being compassionate about professional athletics and sports medicine at the same time. The Cyclones bring that home for us.
oh man, championship is our mentality here in Cincinnati this year. We're all in this year. We're going all in. Our expectations are championship here. So let's go. Let's do it.